Hey guys, what's up? This is Dr. Matt Symons from Palm Beach Health Center, and I'm here to talk to you today about back pain. Normal, everyday activities can make an enormous impact on your body, especially when it comes to your spine. Ordinarily, back pain issues are a very common thing. In fact, about 80% of people will have some kind of back pain in their lifetime. It's the second most common reason why people go to the doctor. And most of the time, it's caused from misalignments of the spine. And these misalignments set your body up for restricted movement of the joints in your spine. And the biggest deal with back pain, though, isn't the pain itself. It's ignoring the pain like it's nothing. And that is a huge mistake. Sure, back pain is fairly common, but it's never normal. And ignoring it is exactly the wrong move. Pretending you're fine and foregoing a trip to the chiropractor probably seems okay at first, but downplaying pain and pretending it's not there can lead to more serious, even permanent problems. The easiest way to check on your back pain is to keep a checklist in your head of dangerous symptoms that could possibly go hand in hand with it. So ask yourself, do I have any of these in addition to back pain? And if you do, you could have a serious problem on your hands. So one thing is radiating pain. If you look for this, and if you have any pain radiating down to your shoulders, arms, or hands, or your legs, if you've got painful waves that radiate down, then you could have a nerve root irritation going on. It might go away, but it also might lead to tingling, weakness, or numbness in your muscles. Your best bet is to talk to a chiropractor who can help make the right spinal adjustments and also offer recommendations for exercises that might remedy your issues. Leg weakness is also another big one to watch out for. So do you find yourself limping? This could be a back issue that's stemming from nerve damage. And you know what? It could possibly be permanent if you leave it alone long enough. So it's possible you're even dealing with something called a herniated or bulging disc, which is a serious issue to look out for. Sometimes back pain can bleed into other issues like severe groin pain. And if that happens, get help immediately. If you're experiencing any pain, bladder or bowel incontinence, you could possibly have a condition called Cauda Equina syndrome, where pressure is being applied to your nerves in the spinal cord that connect to your pelvic organs. So if you're falling over, if you have imbalance or teetering, those are additional effects of back pain too. So if you leave these alone for too long, you could be stuck with a permanent lack of balance or even motor damage to the muscles. You could even develop a fever or chills from back pain. Think about it. When your body is fighting off an infection, you can get sweats or fever or even chills, right? While most back pain doesn't mean you have a tumor or some kind of infection in your body, this could always be a possibility. You definitely want to get your back checked out immediately if you also have fever or chills accompanying those symptoms. NYU, New York University's Langone Spine Center, and Dr. Charla Fisher says that if you do experience chills or a fever, that's often a sign that your whole body is going through a reaction to something else. In other words, get help and get checked out ASAP. Reading up or listening to back pain information and getting advice on your back pain, it's a great start, but if you're having regular spinal back pain problems, you need to see a professional right away. And that's where chiropractic care comes into play. One of the greatest advantages of chiropractic care is that attention is being directed to the cause of your symptoms rather than just giving a quick fix to get rid of the symptoms. Simply covering up the problem won't help you to avoid any permanent damage or give you a viable fix for these issues. Chiropractic treatment is a non-invasive treatment, which means it's advantageous. The American Chiropractic Association shows research that provides information on how spinal manipulation for back and neck pain or an injury isn't nearly as costly as pharmaceutical treatment or surgical treatment. Still, some people don't choose to see a chiropractor. Consider this for a second. A Washington study showed that about 42.7% of patients who suffered from work-related back injuries ended up in surgery when they consulted a surgeon first. But only about 1.5% of people ended up in surgery when they consulted a chiropractor first. Awesome, right? So even though back pain is common, keep in mind that not every treatment option is equal. consider looking into chiropractic care for an all-natural, effective way to treat your back or neck pain. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe below. If you have any comments or questions, let me know and we'll get to it. Have a great day.